Hell yeah. Yes.
So, I was wondering why my turn signals weren't working. I've worked on it before, but I was told by the previous owner that the whole system needs to be rewired, and I was like, okay. So I went under there, found out that the harness that connects to the hazard button was not even connected. So we just plugged that bad boy in there. Hey Sam, can you hit those hazards for me, bro? You might have to. Oh no, it's good. Excellent. Very good. So right now I'm trying to work on my pop-up motor. There's just nothing. You hit the button, you hit the switch, nothing. But I found something. All right, so I get under here and I'm looking at the harness because I'm thinking, okay, well the hazard button wasn't even connected. So I was like, okay, let me look at the switch. And I see this harness right here, and this is it for sure. And then I heard like people cut the round wires so they can have like the sleepy look, you know, whatever, do your thing. But I'm gonna splice that back together, plug it in, and see if it works. Honestly, I don't think it really will, but it's just a step in the right direction. So we gotta just crimp it and throw a lighter to it. That should be good.
It's JDM AF, dude. Only thing that gets more JDM is like a Game Boy or something. That's like American though.
Newsflash, shit doesn't work.
We filming, boys. Huh? We filming, boys.
Yes, you
Freaking think. And we're live. So I guess, okay, so a preview isn't available with the 4K mode, Dylan. So I'm just gonna get some sick shots of your car real quick. Ready?
Look at that.
We're filming, bro. We're filming. What do we got going on today, Dylan?
I'm just trying to put my shit back together.
Yeah, I get so close. It's like nothing more. I'm gonna give this a little bit of shake cam and see what happens.
It's probably really good. Come on, Peggy. Dude, half the bolts in this car are missing. It's pretty crazy. Like, there's supposed to be bolts back there. They're gone. The bolts up here to hold this in are gone.
You know what's really funny?
The bolt for the top of the cluster is gone.
That's really funny, Dylan.
What's that?
I gained a whole like 3-gallon bucket full of bolts after we did my engine swap. So
That's awesome. Congratulations.
quick release everything.
I don't think this is gonna work. I'm just parts replacing it at this point. It's a new relay. Let's go try it. I'm gonna do my outro. Thanks for joining me, guys. Basically, I can't fix anything except for plugging the connector back in. So, thanks for joining me. See you later.